Hello and welcome to day 3 of the ukulele strumming course. If you have not watched the 2 days before this, you need to, because I teach you how to hold the instrument correctly, which part of the hand to use, and how to think. And we already learned our first strum, so you need to check those videos out. I will link them at the top and under this video. Now this is day 3 and I promised you that we would be doing some up strums. So go ahead and hold your instrument the way that we talked about, where there's a little bit of space between you and it right here. Okay? Go ahead and curl the hand. And when we strum downwards, so give me a down strum, freeze at the bottom of the strum. Okay, so you're gonna strum downwards and freeze there. What's positioned for us to come up is the fleshy part of the finger. If you have a long nail, well sure, that will touch, but really the core there is the chunky part of the finger. And so our up strums are going to sound a little bit muffled compared to the down strum. So you're gonna go down, and then look up, look up, look up. The finger is going to lead up. So this is a part that a lot of beginners miss. Look up. The knuckle should lead and the finger will follow. A lot of my beginners do this. Look up. They do a down and the hand stays like exactly the same for the up. I would like for you to lead a little bit. So it's gonna be a little bit of leading with a knuckle. Down, lead with the knuckle up. Down, lead with the knuckle up. And part of the side of my nail is hitting the strings on the way up, which is fine. So down and then lead up. Once you're at the top of the strum, rotate the hand slightly to position you for the down strum. And you'll notice on the down strum, I'm also leading with a knuckle down. So down, up, down, up. And I think this is why a lot of my beginners try to get very wristy with their strum, because they do see some movement there. But so much of my movement is coming from the elbow. Look, the elbow's really moving there. But if I made a stiff hand, this is what it would sound like. Which might sound okay, but it's very rah, 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 rah. We don't want that, we want this. Very gentle. Can you be louder with this? Of course, and we will get there. But right now, I want you to just get a nice sound and keep a relaxed hand. Make sure that when you lead with the knuckle, it's not so exaggerated like this. Look up. So you're not doing this. Like, we're not gonna exaggerate that much. Look at how I strum when I'm just strumming normally. It's very subtle. The movement is maybe an inch. It's very, very small, but it's there. And I don't think I've ever seen a tutorial talk about that. Now remember how we're supposed to think: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, correct? Let me do it one time by myself. I really want you to just watch, okay? Just watch, because when you see something, it helps you to absorb it in a different way than if we're trying it at the same time. So just watch. 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm not pushing my way into the strings to get that harsh sound. Neither am I pulling it up this way. I'm not doing any of that. It is very gentle. Very gentle. Look at the knuckle. Look at the hand. Look at the elbow. Or the arm movement from the elbow. So this is the speed that we're going to take together. Go ahead and grab your ukulele. Hold the C chord if you can. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, super important for me, since I can't see you like I normally can see the students that I teach in person. Please let me know what you're struggling with, if you got lost with anything, and if you're making progress through this playlist already, please also let me know in the comments below. If you figured out a way or a thought pattern that helped it all click for you, please share that down below, because we are a community. We all really do learn from each other. So anything that you have to share with us to help other people, please write it in the comments. Even if you don't think it's going to help somebody else, Trust me, it does, so please write it down below. Let's take a 20-second break to thank today's sponsor, Enya Music. I'm currently playing the solid mahogany ukulele from Enya. I'm playing the one with the natural finish, but there's also one that comes in a satin blue. This is a fantastic step-up ukulele that comes with a gig bag, strings, and all the accessories that you could need in your ukulele journey. And now back to our video. With today's lesson, you have gotten so close to reaching the island strum, which is our goal. So make sure and come back for tomorrow's video where we're gonna inch a little bit closer to that. You're making great progress. Make sure and tag me on Instagram if you're sharing there, or join our Facebook community, Ukelandia. We have a lot of people of a lot of different levels on there. Share your videos there if you're bold enough. If you're not bold just yet, just enjoy the videos of other people who are sharing theirs. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button on this video if you made it all the way this far in the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao!